So I wanted to that'll be fine. Kind of. It's iffy. I wanted to have you guys hear how loud this thing is. I feel like I should have a baffle in it, shouldn't it? I feel like I should have a baffle in it. But here's how it sounds. It's pretty effing loud. And then it cuts out. It burps, it not burps, it like hiccups a little bit. It's almost as if it's like, it's moving air so efficiently now that the engine's starving for intake air. See, it'll start to like, if you cut throttle, it struggles. But it's really loud though. I'm not sure if I want to be that guy at rallies with the super loud exhaust. Like, you know, everyone's gonna have to put up with my shit. I'll be that guy. I don't know. Oh, there we go. One thing about this thing though is that it's a lot more vibration now than it was before. A lot more vibration. Let me go get some fuel. It's ethanol-free fuel. She is a twitchy girl. Yeah, it's like a lot of vibration right now. Everywhere. Handlebars, butt, everything. Man, I'd say in fourth gear, 30 miles an hour. I think I'm 13-15 gearing. Oh, sorry, 1348. In fourth gear, 3,500 RPM. It's a respectful thumper. It still has a lot of vibration for the end user, but it's only when I get into 4,000 plus RPM that it really starts to produce vibration and the sound kind of annoying. So as long as I stay in that realm, I think we're okay. Which is most of my trail riding is out there. I'm rarely balls out on the trail riding. I need to tighten this down though.